Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Hi, I'm Ethan Rosler. I'm a welding engineer here at Miller Electric. Understanding and preventing common weld problems before they start can help you save time and money. Inductance is the resistance to change in the welding current. In a welding arc, current changes quickly and often. In some cases, inductance can be beneficial, since it can help soften the welding arc, reduce spatter, and increase bead fluidity. It is important to keep your weld cables as short as possible. Even when properly managed, long welding leads will have inductance. In many cases, people think they are doing the right thing by coiling up extra leads on a cable holder on a welding cart or on the floor next to the machine. However, this coiled welding cable becomes an inductor. This effect is worsened when steel cable reels are used. Keeping your lead straightened will provide the best arc performance. Too much inductance can cause problems like harsh, snappy arc starts, a stumbling, unstable arc, and excessive bead fluidity. For more information on any of these topics, visit millerwelds.com.